AI approach. The aim of AI is to simulate the human attributes of logical intelligence, reasoning and knowledge acquirement in machines. We have been experiencing how this works in the form of a virtual assistant like Siri, Alexa and chatbots. Generally, AI models have two kinds of approaches: rule-based approach, learning-based approach. Rule-based approach. A rule-based system uses rules as knowledge representation. These rules are coded in the system in the form of if-then-else statements which help the computer in taking decisions. The idea behind a rule-based system is to use the knowledge of a human expert in a specialized domain and embody it within the computer system. Learning-based approach. A computer system that achieves AI through a machine learning technique is called a learning-based approach. This approach is often referred to as black boxes, as it is not entirely clear how these systems take decisions. This is a major problem for applications when it comes to making a decision for investment, medical, or military reasons, as this approach remains unreliable. Machine learning is a way of achieving AI. It is a branch of AI and is based on the idea that machines can be built to process data and learn on their own. Machine learning is a subset of AI.